Good morning. It's Heather with R-Rated Reviews. And I wanted to put a quick update video up because a few of you have been asking. I went MIA and I didn't even respond for days to a couple of you. So I apologize for the delay. I got sick. I don't even want to say that. I get mad saying I got sick. When I came home from London, like the following day, I could feel it coming on. And I'm like, no. I don't know how far back I can go, like legitimately, but I can say in all honesty, it's been over 10 years since I've gotten sick, with the exception of one 3-day bout with COVID that a client gave me. Ironically, the one who took my fucking spackle tools. But I got sick and I didn't even know how to handle it. It's been so long. I got like man cold sick, complete with whining and DJ make me soup. So I can't sleep any more than I have slept in the last 5 or 6 days. Tried to go to work. I tried to work through it, figuring I'm working by myself. I'm not going to infect anybody, but I was just tired. It was literally a fucking cold. But it made me so tired. I slept for days. In the meantime, I'm going to ask you to be patient with me because I have a bunch of videos that I have not yet put up, and I feel like I'm jumping all over the place between reviews and tools and like DIY stuff and I love it, but I have to reassess what the hell I'm doing and maybe just pick a fucking lane. Because I spent one entire day in bed merging like 3 or 4 days and probably 3 to 4 hours of video from the bathroom renovation that I'm doing. And I was almost finished. I mean, I probably had another hour of merging and like snippet clipping and stuff. And my phone didn't save it. And now I can see it in there. It won't let me open it. It's erroring out. And I've had that happen whether on my phone or the computer so many times. I don't mind doing the merging if I have to, but not if it's not successful. It's an absolute black hole of time. And I can't make the same video 3 and 4 times. And when they're that long, then I take out my funny stories. And I like my funny stories. And then it just becomes a how-to video. So I have to just, the house painting video, I don't even think I put that up. I don't even think I finished the wood sanding for the butcher block. The patio I put in, that the bathroom videos, I have tools I bought. I got some really awesome accessories off of Amazon for woodworking for my angle grinder that look like they're supposed to make cake out of making this bowl. Which means there could be multiple bowls the way I wanted to make a set. I don't know. I haven't worked on that for TJ for Christmas. And so the stuff is getting jammed in all different, I'm jumping all over the place. My videos are not going up in order and it's confusing. So if you can just bear with me, I'm half dressed for work and I made a lot of progress on the bathroom. But it's putting me behind on other projects now because it turned into a full gut job instead of just a retiling and painting job. So thanks for those that have been asking if I'm still out there. I am, and I'm sorry I haven't been around. But I got sick, and I don't even like saying it. But I'm getting better. I'm actually pretty much better. I'm just whatever. So I have to figure out what I'm doing, and if you can bear with me, I'm just going to start uploading shit. I just have to go back to my crappy videos. I mean, they're crappy even when they're merged. They're just less crappy. I don't know. I just got to put them up, and I have tons of stuff I haven't reviewed or that I've reviewed and haven't put up. So, again, please just bear with me. And if you see stuff that's not in order, feel free to ask about it. But if you wait, you might just see something that's going to make it make sense afterwards. I still have videos from London that I haven't even either put together or done. And I can't keep up with it. So I need to figure out how to be more effective and efficient with the stuff I post going forward. But I'll figure it out. Questions and comments, feel free to leave them. Thanks for asking if I was still okay. I'm here. I haven't gone anywhere. But I am going to work today. And Christine got fixed all over the place. She got a new water pump. She got all of her oil leaks fixed. She got a new radiator yesterday. She's got some new shit going on under the hood. And I miss her because I've been driving my Jeep back and forth to work in Syracuse. So I can't wait to get back into Christine and rev that bitch up. She's been driving really smoothly, at least taking her back and forth to the mechanic. And I really want to work on fixing her. So I think I might take the whole month of December off from work. I have one big job that someone wants me to do, and they said they don't care if it waits till January. So I have to, still haven't moved, obviously. Don't know what's going on with the house. Can't get my attorney to call me back or respond to an email. So I got a lot of balls in the air I'm juggling. And not fun balls. Really. So Thanksgiving's in a couple of days. I don't really do holidays, so I'll probably I'm not sure what I'm doing, but my head's in the clouds. Have a great day.